Hello, and welcome to the screen installation guide for the Toshiba Satellite model P55t-C5114. The first thing we need to do is remove the two screws from the underside of the laptop that hold in our battery. Once the battery is removed, we can flip the laptop open and start to release the screen panel from the laptop. Now we need to pry off the front panel to get to our laptop screen. I am using a pry tool from ifixit, but you can do the same with any thin, sturdy metal or plastic piece, such as a guitar pick. Just be sure to not go too deep when prying off the panel. Once the panel is loose, open the screen all the way and work the bottom of the panel out where the hinges are. Be careful not to pull the panel out too far because the wires that enable our touchscreen feature will be attached. From here, we need to remove the 4 screws that hold the screen in place. Once the screen is removed, we need to detach the cable that connects our screen to our laptop. There will be a piece of safety tape that holds the cable in place. Peel back that tape and the cable will easily become loose. Now it is time to replace our broken screen with our brand new screen from laptopscreens.com. Reinsert the cable, ensuring that it is all the way in place, and smooth down the safety tape. Align the screen back into place and secure the corner with the 4 screws. Now peel off the protective plastic to reveal our beautiful new laptop screen. Ensure that the touchscreen wire is back into place and begin to snap the screen panel back on, starting with the hinges at the bottom. Now reinsert the battery and secure it with the 2 remaining screws. There you have it. Our brand new screen from laptopscreens.com is now installed and is looking great. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thank you, and happy repairing.